Traveline Cymru is the public transport information service for Wales, sponsored by the Welsh Assembly Government. Information is key to people being able to make journeys, whatever their chosen mode of transport. Traveline provides a one-stop shop for travel information for Wales through a bilingual call centre, an award-winning website and a suite of services for mobile phones. Traveline Cymru's role is to help people travelling in Wales at every step along their journey.
I use Traveline a lot because I can't drive a car, so I find it really helpful, and we recommend it a lot to the students that we get around here because some of them are foreign students and they don't know how to get from place to place. They don't understand some of the place names.
We use Traveline every day. We travel all over the place for work. It's really helpful with helping us find the travel and times of trains.
I use public transport every day, and Traveline I find very, very useful, obviously because I go shopping with the baby every day.
Yng Nghymru mae 200 o arsafau trenau, 5,000 o safle fysys. A mae rhaid cael ffordd I dweud I bobl mae rhain yma I hyd defnyddio.
Our bilingual call centre based in Wales is open daily from 7 AM to 10 PM.
Hello, Traveline Cymru. Sut allai eich helpu chi? How can I help you?
We can help you plan your journey, whatever the method of transport.
Thank you for using Traveline. Diolch am defnyddio Traveline.
Traveline is very important because you can ring up and get the times of the buses at the fingertips, and it's very important, and you can go anywhere on it using our free bus passes.
Traveline information is invaluable information to the customer and obviously to us as well. It makes our life a lot easier. They get a lot more accurate information off Traveline than they would do of any information board.
I come by bus because it's convenient. I only have to walk a few yards down the road, and the services of Traveline are very useful for people that require the buses.
You make friends on the buses because there are people I know now that I'd never spoken to before when I drove.
Beth mae Traveline Cymru yn rhoi i'r cyhoedd ydy gwasanaeth yn gallu galw y 3G. Yn gyfleus, yn glir, yn gyflym. A mae bobl gallu gael hwnna cyn dechrau teithio, pryd nhw'n cynllunio eu taith, neu pryd maen nhw en route, os nhw eisiau newid y cynlluniau, os ydy rhywbeth wedi digwydd gyda'r gwasanaethau, maen nhw'n gallu ffindio allan.
Visit our award-winning bilingual website, which provides joined up and integrated travel information at the click of a button. This includes information on travel alerts, local attractions and events to help you get to your seat on time.
Mae gwasanaeth Traveline Cymru'n wych. Mae'n gwasanaeth hollol dwyieithog ar y gwybodaeth amdano trafnidiaeth gyhoeddus, neu llai trwy'r we, neu trwy'r ffôn symudol a tecsio.
I do business across South Wales and I use Traveline for bus information, timetables, and I can do without it.
I fi, mae Traveline Cymru yn adnodd gwych, mae'n ddefnyddiol iawn yn mynd ar y we neu ar y ffôn, ffindio mas am sylwennu trenau a bysiau a cael y wybodaeth mewn ffordd clir, hawdd ac effeithiol.
Passengers using Traveline, it's ideal for us because they realise now that the taxis are outside the central station, which makes our life a lot easier and also it's easier for them.
As well as contacting us by phone or via our website, you can now get bus times direct to your mobile phone through our Traveline Text and Nextbus's iPhone app. You'll be sent real-time information so you know exactly when your next bus is due to arrive, meaning no more waiting at the bus stop on a wet winter morning.
I like to be environmentally friendly, so I make sure that I use my iPhone app to check wherever I want to go. I can use the train and the bus and they text me all the information I need.
Traveline Cymru text service is really easy to use. You just text the 7 unique digits that you can find on the bus stop to 84268. They reply within 30 seconds with the next 4 buses and their destinations. Cost of the text is the same as a standard message from my phone and the reply is free.
We find that young people want information right at their fingertips that's accurate and helps them get around. Our services offer them this, especially the mobile services such as getting your best times by text or using the mobile internet service.
Dwi'n defnyddio gwasanaeth textio Traveline Cymru ar ddiwrnod oer neu'r ffordd i coleg neu'r noson allan. Mae'n handi fedra i just textio'r cod sydd ar y bus stops ac o fewn eiliadau maen nhw'n textio fi nôl yn deud pa bryd mae'r bus nesaf yn dod pasio. Felly dwi'n gorfod disgwyl allan yn yr oer ac mae'r gwasanaeth textio hefyd ar gael yn Gymraeg sydd yn gret.
Our comprehensive service has been created to enable people to make informed decisions when choosing to travel to or around Wales and encourage less carbon-intensive means of travel.
Mae polisi integredig gyda'r Llywodraeth. Maen nhw wedi gwario llwyth o arian ar y systemau cynnig gyhoeddus. A beth mae'r Llywodraeth eisiau bobl wneud ydy symud allan o'i cair, defnyddio cynnig gyhoeddus, ond i wneud hynny, mae rhaid i bobl gwybod beth sydd ar gael. A dyna beth mae Traveline Cymru yn rhoi iddyn nhw.
I use Traveline regularly, get on and off the train with my bike quite often, do my bit for the environment, and it's just a great service, really helps.
Very important, I think, for people to use public transport a bit more, and of course it's convenient in that you avoid all the congestion.
I support Traveline Cymru because I'm an environmentalist, and the more of us that leave the car at home and take the train or the bus, the better it is for the environment and the better it is for us too. You can read, you can work, you can eat, you can sleep on a bus or on a train. You can't do that in the car. My role as ambassador for Traveline Cymru involves making this fantastic service available to as wide an audience as possible. I work with the public, I work with the staff. After all, the more people that take advantage of it, the better it is for the environment and the better it is for all of us. As a conservationist, I'm a huge fan of the services provided by Traveline Cymru. We all need to think about the energy we use and the pollution we create. Traveline Cymru tackles this by providing information about public transport. And if we all left our car at home, it would make our environment that much cleaner.
I've travelled through Scotland and England and Wales, and I wouldn't recommend it if I hadn't used it myself.
So go on, leave your car at home and let Traveline Cymru help you explore Wales. To find out more, call 0871 200 22 33, visit www.travelinecymru.info or text Traveline to 84268.